Looky who showed up.
It's open 6 days a week with a convenient shuttle service. Visit our parts boutique and speak with any of our friendly service and parts staff.
Yeah, those are here, boss. 2 of them.
Yeah, sounds good, boss. I'll be in right now to pick it up. Thank you.
Okay, for the one time, fuck HOA or what?
Huh? Fuck it, I don't give a fuck now. How was it, Jay?
I'm telling you, dude. So, taking over Slimeball's camera, I just got here to the pad, and I'm overall so stoked about how my car drives, and my tuner that tuned it, because the drivability is freaking amazing. This is the first time I've driven this car, and the first time I let it sit in traffic. And this car temperature, the way it drove, the way it feels is amazing. I was so stoked about it, I told him, I said, hey, go drive it real quick. Oh my God. Dude, that turbo comes in. Let me tell you guys what, that turbo is a GT 3076, and it's such a small frame turbo on a log rear top mount. It makes turbo spool like all the time. If I'm on the freeway and I'm chilling at a set speed and I just like big toe tap the gas, the turbo wants to come in already. So driving this car, inside the car, it's so freaking quiet. I almost forgot this is not my camera. But anyways, for Slimeball's channel, guys, I just pulled up to his place because I'm going to be spending about a week here with Slimeball and his family. We're going to be cracking down on his brother's car, Dwayne's Busy Wagon K-Swap project, and also going to be giving Slimeball a helping hand with his EK when it comes back from paint. I think tomorrow, I'm not sure, but I came out here to give the boys a hand so we can get all the cars rock and rolling for the Honda meet. But I told him to go down the street. I don't know where he went. I don't know. Where'd he go? But this is the thing, though. I want him to drive it, feel it out, and kind of. Oh, he's hitting it. I can hear it. That thing sounds good. But anyways, I wanted him to drive it to feel what I felt driving this car for 10 hours, and in hopes of a little motivation for him to, like, you know, really get cracking down on all these projects here on the driveway. But there is, I'll tell you what, the road coming here definitely destroyed my new exhaust system. Oh my God, it looks so cool. That's my car? Wow. So weird to see somebody else drive my car. I've never had anybody else drive my car before. I mean, other than the dyno, but dude, it looks so good. The whole color combo theme and everything that I went for, that's it right there. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you guys, but I love the twin disc noise. How you liking it?
I can't wait to my car.
Hey, you heard that? You heard that? One more time.
She can't wait to my car.
Guys, this is what it's all about. You see, I let people drive my car. I mean, if I trust you enough, and like I said, I wanted him to drive it, feel it out, let him feel what I felt 10 hours driving here, and he just took it around the block, and look at his face. He's like, he's ready to rock and roll, dude.
Okay, shit.
Your car's coming back tomorrow? What's going on?
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, hey. When he comes back tomorrow, we're gonna get cracking on both his car and Dwayne's wagon over there. That's crazy. This whole fucking drive, bro.
All right, guys, as you guys seen, Dana pulled up with his wagon, and today's just gonna be a different style vlog. We're just gonna go ahead, have some fun, eat, take me around town, and go pick up some parts that I need for my car, and just stuff at Honda, other little spots, and like I said, get something to eat and grub on, because I know he's hungry and he hasn't eaten anything. So again, we'll pick up on it once we get on the road, once we start doing things, and we'll update you guys as we go on. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, guys, and hopefully you guys are enjoyed for the content that's going to come right after this, because again, you know, we are going to be cracking down on the Civic Wagon and also my all-wheel drive EK sedan. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
All I want to say is those flames on that damn logo. Look at it, like local burrito. That flame is gonna be my butthole in a minute.
We'll have to wait and find out, Doug.
No,
I guarantee you, you're gonna love this shit, though.
I mean, apparently it was so good. You guys called me just to tell me we found this new taco spot.
Oh, bro, Trust me, when you get in and we eat the burrito, bro, you're gonna be full.
You're gonna watch me chow down on it too?
Oh yeah, bro. I'm gonna watch you lick your lips and everything, bro.
I already tasted it on the chip, bro. Hey, them flames on the logo, they ain't playing. Hold on. Damn, I'm gonna regret it. But I love the guac sauce though.
This is called the Triple Threat Burrito at Local Burrito here in Moreno Valley. This one has barbacoa, shrimp, and asada inside with rice and beans, cilantro, onions. What's your take on it, bro?
That's flavorful, that's good. What's that meat right there?
Barbacoa.
Right for this? That's good. And I got the piece of the shrimp with this too.
Oh yeah, bro.
This is probably the first time I've had a shrimp in a burrito.
I'm telling you, bro, this hits the spot, guys. If you guys are in Moreno Valley, Local Burrito here off on Sunny Mead. This shit hits the spot, and the pricing.
Hey, this thing is thick.
And the pricing for this big burrito, bro, is what you pay for the small burritos at a taco truck.
First thing I said the price for this burrito is cheaper than the regular super burrito back home. And this thing's got 3.
And you know this motherfucker has big hands. Look at that motherfucker. This is a spot, guys. I'm telling you. Alright, guys, we're gonna get to chowing and we'll pick back up after.
The sauce is not that bad.
No, once it calms down, it goes away.
Yeah.
You want spicier?
Huh?
You want spicier?
No, I want to last the rest of the day, okay? I don't want to be in the bathroom the whole day.
Alright, pick back up after.
Can you give me some money for that?
Yeah, this one was my
You finished that motherfucker, bro.
Out of rebellion. My mom.
You started it first. I killed the first
With
one.
my mom.
And I still haven't even killed mine, bro.
That's what I love.
Burger.
Honestly,
See?
To the T. And the bottom, where it absorbed like all of the juice from the top down. Oh, it was so juicy in the bottom, dude.
We'll talk when you're 30.
And he wanted all that, did he?
It was drizzling down my mouth and everything. Had to use a clean napkin to wipe that all off.
Oh, God. No doubt. Best spot in Moreno Valley. And Moreno Valley's ghetto, but this best spot here.
The chick that kept staring at me, I don't know about that one, bro.
She wanted Dana, bro. Everybody wanted
Trying to
Dana.
square with me or something.
Again, guys, sorry to say it. Best spot in Moreno Valley if you guys want a good fucking burrito.
It's pretty good too.
He's on a sugar diet, so he doesn't drink sugar, so you got a Mexican agua.
Moss Bros. All right, guys. If you guys, I'll probably tell you guys the Slime Balls channel, but not mine yet, because I'm always like so far on the content. I'm trying to check out this FL5. The real reason why I came down to SoCal, they have the color and the one that I want. So let's see if they will even let me look at it, because right now I can't afford it, but one can only dream.
Dreams. Alrighty, guys, so we're back now, and pretty much that's gonna wrap it up for today. We ended up going to AutoZone, pretty much picking up everything that we needed for my car. This is for my car, which is the Valvoline VR1 for the engine oil. I went to Honda, also picked up manual transmission fluid, along with dual pump fluid for the rear differential, along with a bunch of brake fluid. These are seals that are going to be going on the lip kit, because I am running the whole lip kit on it. And I also forgot, I actually picked up the spark plugs that I needed for my engine. So that should be back here, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, back here it goes. So I picked up new spark plugs, and as you guys seen, took them out to Local Burrito to get some food, you know, after making the drive, and that way he can get some food in his stomach, because, you know, you gotta take care of each other. So yeah, pretty much that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, you know, something different compared to what we usually do here. Always just working on cars. Me and Dana are gonna come up with a game plan of what we're gonna be doing to this car, and hopefully make progress on my brother's car and get it done, which I know we probably will be able to get done, because we have literally crunch time, 4 days to get all this done. So pretty much, guys, 2 cars actually, mine and my brother's. My car's supposed set to come in tomorrow. I gotta go pick it up, and hopefully it's already been sprayed. Now it's just baking, and hopefully there's enough time to assemble as much as possible. I still gotta put windows, still gotta do all the whole stuff, and you guys will see. I'll do an update on that in the next video coming up. But yeah, you guys will see all that coming up shortly. But again, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.